What's your thing?
My thing is swimming.
Swimming. Oh yeah. I'm in the desert. She had to pick swimming. She's smart. She knows what to pick. There's no water, so she knows I can't video swimming. So she picked swimming. And we're in the desert.
Water.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. This is Mayor Drew's Travel and Adventures. I had to get out of the house again. Getting kind of bored. Every 3 or 4 days we venture out. I'm Drew and this is Meredith. So we're out southwest of Las Vegas, out near Sandy Valley. Sandy Valley's on the border of California and Nevada. And walk through gold mines. These are hard rock mines. The hills are littered with mines. They're everywhere out here. I can see about 6 from where I'm standing, and that's just in one spot. But come with us, and we're gonna go up this big hill and go through a gold mine. Come on. So you can see one up here, one here, one up there, one there, there's one there, one up the hill there, one over there, one clear up near the top of that mountain up there. And there's a few over there that we can't see at the moment. Ready? She's scared to go in. I'm unarmed, so hopefully there's no mountain lions or anything hiding in here. That would be a bad day. So come on, let's go. Hello, Meredith. So you think you come to an end. Wrong. So can't even barely see the opening where we came in. I'd say we're in about 75 yards. Ain't this crazy? How'd you like to use a chisel all this way? Chisel this out. She's scared.
Yeah.
Shaking. See, they went this way and then stopped. Because there's nothing. We're going to show you something.
No, I don't want to go.
Look. And then it goes up. I wonder if I can climb up there. Well, look at that, Mary. It's pyrite. Fool's gold! Wow, look at this. Isn't that crazy? Wow. No, not yet. Okay, you want to stop there? Stop there. I'll go a little further. Or do you want to go with me? She's don't go out. Stay right there a minute. Just a minute, I'll be back. You got a flashlight. Why didn't you just stay there a minute? So I know where I'm going back. So the cave split to the left and right. I went left. See, look. People put graffiti on the walls. 68. A lot of chiseling for little tiny quartz veins. It's crazy. So we went to the left. Hundreds and hundreds of feet. Probably actually halfway through the other side of this mountain. But they put arrows so you know how to get out. So that feels better. Let me just check this way real quick. So this goes to the right, I think. Wow. This one probably don't go any much further either. Yeah, that's about it. So they ran out of veins and they stopped. Crazy, huh? Spooky in here. Can't hear nothing. Turn your light off. Nice. That was it, huh? How many years to chisel this out? Smells like flint. Crazy. So the shaft went up, just went up. There's Meredith down there. And it continues to go up. Go back down. Give me a minute. All right, get back. I got it. Ready? So easily goes in. 300 yards. Woo! And Meredith's happy. She doesn't like it. She's kind of freaked out. Okay, ow!
I don't understand.
I don't either. Just to say I did it.
Look at his butt.
Whose?
Your butt.
Well, why is it his? Is the camera still on?
Yes. Look at your butt. It's so dirty.
Ooh. All right, so let's go, baby. We're almost out. Ow! And it's made for short people. Do you even have to duck?
Yes, I do.
You had to duck?
I have to.
I keep hitting my head.
You don't pay attention.
I'm sorry, you have both the flashlights.
But you had one earlier.
But I gave it to you so you could have two.
I don't need to.
So, as you can see, we are now exiting. Woo. We're free! And my camera is totally covered with red dust.
Look at your hands. Okay, look at him. He's like a kid playing in the mud.
Yes, I am.
Oh, he's like a kid though.
Now I gotta walk home because I can't sit in the car.
So he has to take his pants off before driving my car. Okay, the adventure is over.
You're crazy. Adventure is just beginning. The adventures are just beginning. Okay.
I made it.
She made it. All right, guys. What'd you think? Little boring, but at least you got to see the inside of a cave.
At least we made it out.
Southwest of Las Vegas, about an hour. Out by Sandy Valley. There's one up there. She won't let me go. She's already bored. Came from that one. What about that one up there? Come on, there's cactus up there. We gotta see this. Oh man. Man, I feel like a little kid just got grounded. Really? Anyway, let's take a drive. Let's take, yeah, cave-in really ain't my thing either, but don't know what else to video. What do you want to do?
Let's go take a video.
What's your thing?
My thing is swimming.
Swimming, oh yeah. I'm in the desert. She had to pick swimming. All right. She's smart. She knows what to pick. There's no water, so she knows I can't video swimming. So she picked swimming. And we're in the desert.
Water.
All right, well, let's pack up and move to the coast somewhere.
Okay.
Anyway, we're still going down. I wished I had a real 4x4, so I wouldn't have to stress so much about blowing tires and getting stuck out in the middle of nowhere with no cell phone signal and no people around. But we make do with what we have, right? So, I had to stop and climb up here, get a picture of that cool red cactus. It's a pretty cactus.